Hey, we're at Dollar General Market, and today we're going to be doing a healthy snack challenge.
And there's a twist.
Another
You have to
one.
find a healthy snack that starts with the letter P.
Pineapple.
Popeye at least.
Don't get
The
that.
fact that I would actually eat this though. Oh, there's peanut butter. I don't know, peanut butter.
No, peanut butter.
Can we move on? Just spray this in my mouth. Shout out to the knockoff whales and goldfish.
Not bad. What is that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple juice, absorbic acid, vitamin C, and citric acid. The potatoes. Get the potato.
Okay, so what'd you get, Annie?
I got popcorn.
And I got poppable Lay's.